Thought of the day. Alright. Straight from the beast, doing rockin' home renovations, but thought of the day. I live in Minnesota, as the ones that have subscribed to me know I live in the cold state of Minnesota. That's right. Now, I own a dog. Now, others, you know, where does your dog go to the bathroom if you have a dog? Do you have a dog? Alright. I have a dog, right? So I gotta take my dog outside to go to the bathroom. And it's cold out right now. It's Minnesota. It's winter. It's cold out. It's like minus 80, alright? It's cold out. Well, maybe not minus 80, but it's cold out, alright? Now, you want that dog to hurry up and piss. And then he takes another spot, right? And pisses there. And then goes to another spot and pisses there. By the time he's done pissing, you can't even walk back in the house because you're frozen to where you were standing, right? Alright. Where is this getting? Alright. Then your neighbor looks out and goes, "Oh, you're taking your dog to piss?" "Yeah, me too." I wish I had a cat. Could you imagine? Now, of course, a cat goes in a litter box if it's a good cat, right? But could you imagine you and Felix, I don't know, let's just call the cat Felix. You and Felix walking outside to take a piss. Do. Me and Felix, the cat, walking outside. The neighbor looks at you, taking your... I think the neighbor would walk back inside and quit talking to me. Maybe that'd be a good thing. Maybe I need to get a cat named Felix. Anyhow, now, I walk back into the house, and I start to think, you know what? I'm pretty damn jealous. Now, I'm remodeling this whole house, so you all know that, subscribe to me, I do not have an actual functional bathroom right now. So I have a bucket. But the one thing about it is my dog can piss anywhere he wants to outside. And then I started thinking about it. I was jealous because I got to piss in a damn bucket. Or if I had a toilet, I could piss in the toilet, right? Like you probably piss in a toilet. Well, actually, now who's jealous? You probably think me going into a bucket is nasty. Well, it's called remodeling, and I'm going to have a really nice bathroom by the time I'm done. Maybe multiple bathrooms when I'm done. But anyhow, it doesn't matter how nice my bathroom is, as long as I can go to the bathroom in a toilet. But, why are you jealous of me pissing in a bucket? Because I can move my bucket everywhere in the house. I can piss in my kitchen, my bathroom, my future living room, my future kitchen, my basement. Hell, I can even take my bucket out into the garage and piss in it. Food for thought. Just food for thought. Have yourselves a great day, great night whenever you're watching this. Hit the subscribe button. That subscribe button. See, I'm still frozen. I'm still frozen. That's why I'm growing this facial hair. Woo! Beast out of here. Thank you again. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. And don't be jealous all the time when you gotta take your dog out to piss and he's pissing everywhere. And you're upset because, why? Because you're either cold or he's going to the bathroom everywhere. Be happy that he's not lifting his leg or squatting all over your house. How disgusting.